Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Saving for retirement can seem daunting, but a 401k is a powerful tool to help you get there. It's an investment account offered through your workplace, designed specifically for your golden years. A big perk is that your money grows tax-deferred, and often, your employer even contributes extra funds, essentially free money for your future. It's truly one of the best ways to build wealth for retirement. The first step to opening a 401k is to confirm if your employer actually offers one. Not all companies do, so it's essential to check with your Human Resources Department or Benefits team. They can provide all the details about eligibility requirements and the specific steps for enrollment. Often, this involves filling out some forms, either online or in person, to get your account set up properly. Once you're ready to contribute, a common recommendation is to contribute at least enough to receive your employer's full matching contribution. This is literally free money for your retirement. You'll also decide whether to contribute pre-tax, which lowers your current taxable income, or to a Roth 401k, where your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Many people aim to increase their contribution percentage a little bit each year, helping their savings grow steadily. Within your 401k, you'll choose how your money is invested. Typically, you'll select from a variety of mutual funds or exchange-traded funds. Many people find target date funds very convenient, as they automatically adjust their risk level as you get closer to retirement. Remember, diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different types of assets helps manage risk and promotes long-term growth. Opening your 401k is a fantastic first step, but it's also important to monitor its progress over time. Periodically review your statements and see how your investments are performing. As your financial situation evolves or your goals change, you might want to adjust your contribution amount or rebalance your investment choices. A 401k truly is a cornerstone for building long-term wealth, setting you up for a more comfortable retirement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.